Well, isn't she a beauty? It's not often you're going to find yourself a desert-born Silverado. But here we have a Z71 White Sands 2026 Trail Boss Silverado. And would you just look at the rear end on this thing, just massive and strong. It's a beauty. It's a beauty on the eyes, that's for sure. And you look at the lines of this beast, you've got beautiful accents like the black gloss bumper, the black gloss wheels, the black tubular 4-inch running boards, black handles. You've got the black grille right here up in the front. And you've also got the gloss black hood scoop. A Duramax diesel for optimum fuel, and it is absolutely stunning. Z71 factory 2-inch lift. You're gonna want to make your way into Merced Chevrolet as soon as possible. This custom Silverado Trail Boss will not last long, especially with the discounts that they're offering. So if you want to tame a beast, you're at the wrong spot, because there's no taming this one. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Boss in White Sands with black interior.